Hey guys, welcome to KP Tutorials. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how we can list the files from the folder. As you can see here, I am in this folder. There were 3 files are available. So using Katalon Studio, we are going to see how we can get these files. And we'll see how we can delete this sample.csv file. So let me get started here. I have taken one empty test case here and I'm going directly to the script mode. So here, this is a path, the folder where you want to list the file names, right? So copy that folder and try to create a file over there. File as something like this, f as new file, and give the folder. Then from this folder, there were list of files were there. So I'll use f dot list files. This will return me the array of files. So I'll take file array here. Okay. Let me write it to the variable called d. Then first let me try to print the number of files were there using d dot size method. Let me execute this. The console you could see 3 files were coming properly, right? Then using the for loop, I'll try to list them. There were 2 ways of writing the for loop. I'm going to explain each of them. First way is create one variable which initialize it to 0 because index will always start from 0 and iterate to the size. Here, if you see, I am iterating to the size, and at each index, I am trying to get the file name. There is some method called get name. Now you could see there is a 2 1.txt I got, 3.txt I got, sample.txt I got. Okay, this is a one way. And other way, this way is iterating over the index. Other way is I already know this is a file type of, so I'll use simply for loop file something like g in d. D is nothing but array of files. Okay, simple. Here I can use like this, println g dot get name. Execute this, you should get the same output. Now you could see 1.txt, 3.txt, sample.csv, all this we got. Okay, this is iterating over the list of files. Okay, then I want to delete this sample.csv based on the file type as csv. Okay, so for that I'll use something like this. So g dot get name dot contains, so in the name containing dot csv, the name contains csv, what I'll do is I'll simply delete that file, g dot delete. It is returning me the boolean type. If that is true, then it will be deleted successfully. If not, deleted failure. That also you can verify. Either you can write like this. And if you see, this is a deprecated method because this is a Java related method. This is not Groovy related method. Okay, so just execute this. So here we got this name. Then based on the CSV, it should get deleted. Go to the particular folder and refresh it. Now you could see it got deleted. So this is how we can delete a file, and this is how we can list to the list of files from the folder. I hope it's informative for you guys. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section for more. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, and do subscribe.